By itself, keyword research is one of the most important aspects of search engine optimization. You can use all sorts of SEO tricks and techniques to rank a website, but if you aren't targeting the right keywords, you're really just wasting your time. Whether you're trying to rank your own website or rank websites for clients, it's important to research the terms real users are searching for so you or your client can make the most money from your efforts as possible. This is where profitable keyword research comes in. By the end of this course, you will know exactly how to generate a long list of keywords and exactly how to research them to find out the ones that will be most profitable for you. So no matter how good you are at SEO, if you start off with the wrong keywords, it won't get you very far. So in just a few minutes, we're going to generate a long list of keywords for you and begin the research process.